Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Up until recently, Azerbaijan was home to the world's largest KFC restaurant, which spanned over 1,600 square meters. Naturally, mummified remains were discovered along the arid Atacama Desert coast in child dating to around 7020 BC. The horn shark lays conical shaped eggs with a spiral flange running around the outside, which enables the female to wedge it into a crevice, making it difficult for predators to access. You can reduce the levels of forever chemicals in your body by donating blood or plasma. Chin-strap penguins take more than 10,000 naps a day, with each nap lasting an average of 4 seconds, according to a new study. If you put headphones into your nostrils and open your mouth, it forms instant speakers. SSL is not responsible for what is on server. Your data on SSL site can be compromised. You have to wear special suits even when the lava and fire are several meters away. Did you know you can predict your future adult height with almost 100% accuracy by doubling your height at age 2? Female lion sisters live together for life. Their female cubs also stay with the pride even after they are grown, but male cubs must venture out on their own once they reach maturity. The French emperor was around 1.7 meters tall. Birds have evolved to have much more powerful vision than humans. We can see blue, green, and red, but they can sense an additional part in the color spectrum, ultraviolet. Moles can see, but they have poor eyesight. By age 17, 78% of Americans had at least one cavity. You have never seen this. The world's largest elephant, an 8,000 kg giant in Tanzania. Elephants walk really quietly. Bananas can help ease tooth sensitivity. Neighborhoods with high dog populations tend to have lower crime rates. In this situation, they fly the coop. Antelopes escape 80% of attacks by farting on the predators. Stress may cause you to grind your teeth at night, resulting in headaches, jaw pain, and worn down teeth. Tulip mania was a period when contract prices for some bulbs of tulip reached extraordinarily high levels. The major acceleration started in 1634 and dramatically collapsed in February 1637. 12 ways to keep your brain healthy. Saudi Arabia is mostly a desert. 95% of the country is classified as a desert or semi-desert. The Rub al Khali in the southern part of the country is the largest sand desert in the world. A Florida man used a cell phone jammer every day while traveling to work because he did not want drivers around him to be distracted on their phones. As a result, he was fined $48,000 by the FCC. Michael Kearney, who spoke his first word at 4 months old, completed his bachelor's degree in anthropology in 2 years to become the youngest ever university graduate at the age of 10. Cats don't like to drink water that is too close to their food. Move your cat's water away from where you feed them or designate another location for drinking water in the house. This helps promote good hydration and prevent kidney disease, a common issue in older cats. Saying yes to everything and having no boundaries does not make you a more likable person. It often just attracts toxic people into your life. Ever wonder what the little number inside the recycle symbol is? This number determines what category the material is, and some regions do not recycle all seven categories. Do your research before recycling products with these numbers. We always think of better tomorrow, but when tomorrow comes instead of enjoying, we again think of better tomorrow. Let's have a better today. You can increase your fuel efficiency by 10% by replacing an old air filter. You can increase it by 25% by removing your rooftop cargo box, and for every 100 lbs of weight you remove, you will increase it by 1%. 7 beautiful theater in the world to watch cinema once. Cinema di Piccoli, Italy. Cinema Paradiso, Spain. Cinetica, Spain. Grand Rex, Paris. Electric Cinema, London. The Civic, Auckland. Raj Mandir. Thanks for watching.